Hey everyone, how's it going? Skylar here from Google SEO Mastermind and Zenith. I wanted to take this opportunity this morning to show you guys how the local bulk page creator works by Zenith. I know there's been a lot of discussion and requests for a video to understand how this particular plugin works. So, with that said, let's go ahead and jump right in. I got my website pulled up right now. It's upfronthomeservices.com. Excuse me. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to plugins, obviously, and I'm just going to drop this plugin in. Now, I want to let you guys know that this plugin is not a part of Zenith, and the reason for that is simply because this plugin should be deleted after its use. It is not a plugin that you would keep on the website. It is not a plugin that you would share with your clients, so forth and so on. It's a plugin that's strictly used just for creating new pages. So I would come up here to add new. I would upload the plugin. I would go ahead and pull it from wherever it is. I have it over here on my desktop, but I'm going to install it now. After installing it, we're obviously going to activate the plugin. Now, after it's created, it's going to create a bulk page creator over here on the left-hand side admin menu. And you're just going to go to it. It's fairly simple to use, and it's even more easy to set up. So let me go ahead and just go through the motions and the steps, and hopefully that gives you guys some insight. I'm going to go ahead and expand my screen a little bit here so you can see it better, and we'll just start at the top. For this particular client, upfronthomeservices.com, he's a carpet cleaner, and he has all his pages on his website. But let's say that we wanted to create another service for whatever reason. Let's say he's getting into hardwood floor cleaning. So we do hardwood floor cleaning. Okay, and it doesn't matter whether you capitalize this or not. It's going to force lowercase in the URL string, so you can use uppercase, lowercase, doesn't matter. You don't need to use dashes. Next, you would do the cities. So for Upfront Home Services, locations, we would add all these locations, okay? And when it comes to our particular builds, we do put the state inside of the URL, the slug, just because there might be more than one Rosenberg throughout the country. There might be more than one Katy. There might be more than one Conroe. I believe there is more than one Conroe. But for the purposes of this demonstration, let's just use 3 cities. We'll use Conroe, Katy, and Fresno. Okay, so you do Conroe, Texas, Katy, Texas, Fresno, Texas. You don't need to comment or add a comma at the end of the particular word that you're using, so you can leave that off. Now, if you didn't want to use Texas, you would just do Conroe, comma, Katy, comma, Fresno, comma. You wouldn't add the Texas. This is just how we build websites specifically. So with that said, we have added our cities. Now for our meta titles, we have a drop down right here. If you double click, of multiple suggestions, 50 suggestions in our library. The one that we like to use, however, is this one. #1 trusted service in city. We are 5-star rated with same-day services. Let's do over 500 5-star. There we go. And what this is going to do is it's going to take the service, which is up here, hardwood floor cleaning, and it's going to take the city, Conroe, Texas, Katy, Texas, Fresno, Texas, and it's going to pull your meta titles and your meta description into either Zenith, Rank Math, or Yoast. Those are the only 3 we support right now. Same thing for the meta description. Let's see here. Dedicated to delivering the best service in the city. So dedicated to delivering the best hardwood floor cleaning in Conroe, Texas. Do exclamation point. And then you can append a suffix to the meta description. So say I wanted to add a BBB A+ certified. Call now at 520-555-5555. Now this particular client doesn't do hardwood floor cleaning services, so this is just for demonstration purposes. Now, in the additional content box, you could add your content if you wanted to, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a page that's already been more or less created, a template. So we have all these pages on the website, right? So the service pages look fairly same on this particular property, but I would pick the one that I wanted to use. So I don't know, tile and grout cleaning might be a good one. Let's just do natural stone cleaning. And it doesn't matter which one I select, really. It's going to pull my template from my database in here, which is going to allow me to clone the template. Okay, so all this information down here is for UTheme. Should say UTheme somewhere down here. Version 2.7.20 of UTheme. It doesn't show it, but this is UTheme. Now, if you have Elementor or Divi or Oxygen, it's going to look completely different like this, excuse me, but it's still going to pull this information in here. Now, this doesn't work on my builder, but it might work on your builder. It does work on Elementor. We tested that. But essentially what you would do is you would come in here and you would insert services and city wherever service and city is mentioned, which will spin it out for all the areas that you mentioned. So, for example, this is natural stone polishing in Conroe, Texas. So it would be the service in city with over 2,400 5-star reviews. So anywhere that you saw this particular instance of a service or a city mentioned in the content down here, you would replace that. And like I said, when you replace that, depending on your builder, it's going to pull the cities and the services from here, and it's going to append it to wherever you add it within this content block, the additional content block. So if I went through all these right here, so okay, so our outstanding natural stone polishing results. So I would do our service, our hardwood floor cleaning results in city. Okay, and surrounding areas. And then after it's completed, if you wanted to add more services, you could. You would just do the exact same thing down here. So say I wanted to add upholstery cleaning, I would do it again. Carpet cleaning, I would do it again. And this can go for multiple verticals. It could be a plumber, it could be a roofer, it could be whatever the case may be. But you're essentially adding your service to these particular areas where it says list your service, and then you're adding all your cities. And you can add as many cities as you want. It doesn't matter. You could add 1,000 cities if you really wanted to, and it should create all the pages. So this one's called hardwood floor cleaning. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit create pages. My internet's a little bit slow, but it went ahead and created them. So I'm going to go over here to pages. I'm going to come over here to the search. I'm going to type in hardwood floor cleaning. And there's a lot of pages on this website, so hopefully it'll give me, I'm going to have to go through them, but let's keep going. So we have wood floor cleaning already. So I'm going to have to go through all the pages and find hardwood floor cleaning. All right, let's see here. There's 22 pages of information. Let me sort this by screen options. Let's do 100. Apply. All right. So now we only have 5 pages, so I just need to get to the H's. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Here we go. Hardwood floor cleaning. So now we have hardwood floor cleaning Conroe, Texas, hardwood floor cleaning Fresno, Texas, and hardwood floor cleaning Katy, Texas. So if I pull one of these up, it's going to show me my meta description, or I'm sorry, my meta title and the meta description that I added. And then it created the pages for me from the template. Like I said with my builder though, it doesn't update the services in the city and the content for whatever reason, but it does with other builders. Essentially it created the whole page for me, it created the template, and if I wanted to create, 500, 1,000 pages in this exact same way, I'd be able to, more or less. So that's kind of the benefit of the bulk page creator. I'm going to go ahead and delete these pages now, since they won't be used on the website. So trash. Here we go. ABCD. I got to go all the way back. I should have done a bulk edit. Where are we at? There we go. Let's see if I can bulk trash these. Move the trash. Okay. So I've moved those pages back to trash, but essentially you can see that you could build multiple services, multiple pages at the same time. This bulk page creator, like I said, should be removed when you're done. So in theory, if I was done using this, I'd come down here to plugins and I would deactivate it, and then I would delete it. There's no point having it on the website. So hopefully that gives you guys some good information in regards to what the bulk page creator can do, how it works, the different variables you can select and use. Have fun with it, guys. The thing about plugins is, you know, they're essentially only limited to your creativity. I'm sure other people will figure out a million other things to do with this plugin that we've created, but this is what we created it for, was city service pages. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful Saturday. It was a pleasure making this video for you. Thanks for being a part of Zynith. Thanks for the continued support in group and, you know, helping us to create better products over time. You guys rock, and yeah, it feels like a major blessing. So we'll talk to you guys soon, and look out for the next video.